Oh. This I could do.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's just you and me. Bonnie and Clyde, yeah, we're so
Okay, I'm not gonna actually show you me doing this because I look like a deranged human. But today, all I'm going to be doing is working. Also, this cat, has no one pet you in like 10 minutes? What is going on? Anyway, so all I'm going to do today is work. That's the whole schedule. I have so much crap to do because I'm trying to take Wednesday off, so I'm trying to cram everything in today. And the reason why we are in my bathroom, which I am frequently hiding in, is because on days where all I do is work, I get a grand total of like 2 steps. Like it is 9:30 and I have 270 steps. That's not good. I've been awake since 6. So what I like to do is I come into my bathroom where Ira can't judge me, and I do the Miley dance videos, and I don't look good in them, but I just prance around. Gets the blood pumping, folks. And high key, low key, when it gets too hard, you just walk. Look at that. Look at those little cycles in there. But now in 6 minutes, we've got like 1,000 steps. So we can go back. Oh, hello, cat. I kicked you out of here for your own good. Excuse me. It is only 11:30 right now. It feels so late in the day, but hi, welcome to Vlogmas. So I've actually gotten 20-minute work done, if I do say so myself. So part of me is like, maybe I should clean my bathroom because I want to do a whole bathroom organization video, but because I want it to be a whole video, I feel like I need to be mentally prepared to film, and I'm not at all. Look at this zit coming in. I'm not prepared. Whew, I also need a hoodie because it is cold in here.
That's why I stay prayed up daily. Drive me crazy. I can't stay away. It's sweet like candy. Cocoa, mango, cherry. Dream it, real life, I might stay away.
Oh, so continuing my very interesting existence. So right now I'm trying to figure out what to make for dinner because I have no idea, but we were out of milk apparently, and Ira needs that for his coffee because he's a fancy snooty man who drinks an iced vanilla latte. He did not tell me he needed milk when I Instacarted everything. So waiting for the coffee to kick in so I can use my brain more. Do we want, I guess Ira had a bowl for lunch. I thought about making taquitos. Ooh, no, we should not. Okay, I'm trying to be healthy. Let's Google, friends, let's Google. All right, Ira got the goods for dinner. I'm kind of thinking I'm just gonna make some pasta with a little bit of creme, little creme de la creme, make Edgar proud. That probably didn't make any sense to most of you, but for those of you that were an Aristocats fan, what am I looking for? Ooh, lemon might be nice. Let's do some lemon. Also, I had him get asparagus. I meant to buy cilantro and we ended up with parsley, and it was a very dramatic story, but I feel like parsley would be good. Then I got some various Parmesans. You know, you need to have a grated and a shredded. They do different things. I wasn't really gonna put onion in here, but I have half this onion, so I guess we're gonna do this. I got, oh, maybe we should do a shallot. No, I'm gonna use the onion. So we're gonna use a little bit of garlic as well. And then some frozen peas. So let's get our spaghetti and figure this out. But first, before any of this, I still have to edit Vlogmas today, but all my real work is done. So we're just gonna call it Friday, even though it's Monday. Once I feel like these are cooked a little bit, I'm gonna add in my garlic. Now we got asparagus and peas that have been cooking for a little bit. So I'm gonna add some lemon and some salt and some pepper and just pray that this comes out good.
In that West Coast water, 'cause I really loved the moment I saw her. I've seen her faces, many places to wander, 'cause the feeling's just a little bit harder. There must be something in that West Coast water, 'cause I really loved the moment I saw her.
Here you are, you slut.
Damn, that
looks good.
Ira's forcing me to watch The Mandalorian. Even though I don't want to, because I don't like it because the Baby Yoda is too cute. Ira just asked Thor if he wanted to play Animal Crossing because it would be very meta. Okay, this is the nerdiest thing I've ever done. But on Animal Crossing, are you ready to hear the tale of Animal Crossing?
Let me hear it.
Okay.
Lay it on me.
So on Animal Crossing, how previous games used to be, that was gross of you. How previous games used to be, you would have different like random colorways of different furniture items. I hate that you're looking at yourself. The only way for you to get all the colorways in this Animal Crossing is if you talk to other people and you get items from friends, which I think is ridiculous because A, what if you don't want to pay the $3 a month subscription to Nintendo to be able to get online?
Anyways.
And
Like,
who has that many friends that plays Animal Crossing? It's like, what if you just want all the items and you don't want to have to interact with other human beings? I feel like that's my right within video games.
That's true.
And I want to pay for your stupid subscription. Do I? Yes. But do I want to? No. Thor's just barking at his food 2 inches away.
Have you played Cyberpunk yet?
We don't have a thing for that.
Don't we? What's that?
That's a PS3.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, can't shut up because you can't get all the colorways in one game. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up my island and I'm gonna have people come onto the island and they can pick up, because if you pick up the item in Animal Crossing, I'm doing a bad job explaining this, but if you pick up the item, then it catalogs it and then you can order it. So I'm gonna place, so like I have this red couch here, I have 2 different couches on the ground, so people can come and they can pick them up and then drop them, and then they can catalog it and get whatever color they want. So in order to find all the items and their colorways to know how many spaces to make on the ground, I might have made a whole spreadsheet to put all of the different items and their colors. But the problem is that I made this whole spreadsheet and I got it like most of the stuff from a list, and turns out the list doesn't even have everything, so now it's not in alphabetical order. And I know I could just turn it to alphabetical order because this is Google Sheets, but I don't want to because it's already messed up here. I'm breaking us free from the from the Nintendo chain.
Break us through. Free from the chain.
You only gotta socialize once and then you can be done. Good morning, sunshine. Today's Tuesday, friends. It's 8:37 on the dot right now. I am crouched because I am tall. Those of you that are into running, count your motherfucking blessings. I don't know, my mom is into running and she used to do like marathons, and her goal was to like do one in every state. And she actually got pretty far, and good for my mom. But it's never like, people talk about like, oh, you just have to do it for a certain amount of time, and like you just have to get to a point and then you just like feel the endorphins and like, that's not true for everyone. I have tried I've always been a fairly active human being. And when I was in high school, I tried running consistently, and like my friend came with me. We were actually both very disciplined, if you will. Also, sorry, I'm just touching my eye casually. Oh, this one. Why? Yeah, I've tried running and it's just, no. Ira is a big runner and he likes it, A, for the exercise, but I also like used to track and stuff. I guess he used to be pretty good back in his day, but running does not do that for me. I don't care. And there's other things that do. Like, I love swimming. Ooh, swimming, I don't think about anything and it's great. But running, no. I used to swim a lot at the gym that I used to go to, but I'm not really trying to swim in a pool full of COVID right now. So yeah, it's early I got my Vlogmas edited though, so I feel good about that. I kind of felt like all I did yesterday was work and talk about nothing, which I appreciate. Many of you have been like, that's what I signed up for, but I don't know. We'll just make it an extra long one of those, I guess. Because today I'm also going to pretty much work and do nothing. 11. Okay, so I gotta make a lot of stuff happen because it's almost 9 right now. I need to go on a run, come back, feed myself, clean myself, beautify myself, and this is not cutting it, friends. It is going to be cold. Have you ever seen like a toddler, like a little blonde boy toddler? That's what I look like right now.
There's a prisoner of war knocking at your door. Open up and you will find the face is yours. Check it again, just to be sure.
I was trying to find a flattering filter because I look greasy right now to post on my Animal Crossing channel because I haven't posted in like actual weeks and I felt bad, so I was gonna be like, hey, I promise I'm gonna try and edit a video today. And then I found this. Oh shoot! I need this. That's all. Okay, we need to talk about this. I hate this. I hate this so much. I can't. Why is this a thing? This is what I look like as an actual human being. And I think it's wild that like y'all trying to change me. I'm so cute. Why would, I mean, I would look amazing with blue eyes. But that's what I'm saying. This is like a horrible train. This is a terrible, oh. This I could do.
From behind the shadows, shake your shame and all your sorrow. Take your place and dance out in the sun. No one should live undercover. No one is above the other. Freedom is a gift for every.
All right, it's 3:30. I don't know why I've been singing so much, but you're welcome. Literally just a cup of mayonnaise, blue cheese, and sour cream that I'm gonna put some pepper on. Yup. Anyway, so I, in typical myself fashion, ended up being on the phone as I typically am. But anytime I'm on the phone, I'm very good about doing something. So sometimes, like, if I need to get up and clean my house, sometimes I will just call my friend and talk to them and be like, so what's going on? What's happening? Because, I don't know, just like, I'm not really someone who just like sit and talk on the phone. I'm like doing stuff, but I'm still like fully paying attention to you. It's just, I don't know, I gotta clean or like fold laundry or make something. I'm an active woman. So this monstrosity that I'm making here is going to go on some potatoes I'm going to make for dinner. So this is actually fully a Chrissy Teigen recipe. These are her buffalo, I think they're called smashed potatoes, something like that, which you can Google and you'll get all the deets. This creamy sauce does, it's like the blue cheese part of it, does call for buttermilk, which if you have is great, but I don't know, I never have buttermilk in the house and it only calls for a tablespoon. It just like seems like a stupid thing to buy if I'm not going to use just for this. So what I'm saying is it's better with the buttermilk, but a lot of time I make it without and it comes out just fine. But anyway, I have the potatoes all prepped. This is what I was doing while I was on the phone with my friend earlier. Oh, I should have done my nails. I knew I had something I was gonna do, but whatever. I'll do that later. So the potatoes, I just have cleaned them and cut off because they were a little, these were a little elderly, so they had some little extra pieces we got rid of, but they're fine. So I put them in, I just do like a glass Tupperware and cover it with plastic plastic wrap, poke some holes in it, and then just microwave these for like 10 minutes before you roast them in the oven. I also am gonna make some cauliflower, and I just made another salad. This is not very exciting, but we're gonna have just potatoes and cauliflower and salad for dinner. I love an all vegetable dinner. So are you excited for winter break? You excited? Are you ready to party hard? I shouldn't touch you because I haven't wrapped the food yet, but I can wash my hands. I lost so many games, and now my mascara is run.
You crying because of your lost games? That's tough, Thor. That's tough.
So many games I'll never get back.
Man, it's almost as if you shouldn't have played them in the anyway.
I'm gonna make some dinner and you're not gonna get any, so. All right, we got potatoes cooking in the microwave, and I have cauliflower getting a little cozy with a good amount of butter. And what I'm going to do with this is use these are my favorite thing. I talk about these way too much, but they're also fantastic, so sue me. These are these crushed garlic pods, which I'm just gonna take. Oh, I think this is a new one. I'm just gonna, let's go for it. I don't know, 3 seems good. I'm going to add that and a healthy amount of salt. These are now done, but I recommend taking them out with a towel or oven mitts if you're a proper human. And when I remove this, I do it with tongs or just something that like you don't have to directly have your hand over, because this is very hot and releases a lot of steam, and I'd rather just you not get burned. Now we're gonna add some sage. Get this nice and crispy, even though I'm not showing you literally anything. Cauliflower with a little bit of Parmesan. And we're making the sauce for the potatoes. But 2 things with this recipe. If you make it, which I very much recommend because it's delicious, I always half it because it makes so many potatoes otherwise. And also, I use Cholula instead of Frank's Red Hot. Oh, I guess thirdly, instead of putting everything directly, because there's like 2 sauces and you're supposed to layer it attractively on the potatoes, kind of like so. But I gotta tell you, I'd rather just mix it all, because then every single potato gets coated, and it's a game changer.
Just to be sure.
Not me, not her. Certainly not Biggie. You don't like the Tom song?
You're just saying, let me see that tong to tong on tong.
I was looking for the Tom.
Take your place and dance in the sun.
Got my plate of carbs? Just, I guess cauliflower is a carb. It feels like it is looking at this. Thor thinks he's getting tea.
I'm sorry, but you're not. There you go.
Thank you.
Bon appetit.
This is a big old plate you put this on. This is what you, this is the same size plate you eat dinner on.
Days bend over.